Trying to load a saved audio effect preset in Vegas Pro and the VS1 file isn't being recognized? These store custom plugin parameter configurations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load these Vegas Pro audio plugin preset files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated VS1 file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. VS1 files are audio plugin preset files used by Sony Vegas Pro and MAGIX Vegas Pro video editing software. They store saved parameter configurations for audio effect plugins, enabling users to recall custom EQ, compression, reverb, and other audio processing settings across projects and editing sessions. VS1 preset files use a binary format specific to Vegas Pro storing. Plugin identifier strings parameter names and their associated value pairs. The format includes plugin version metadata to ensure compatibility with installed plugins, and references the DirectX or VST plugin host used during preset creation. MAGIX endorses MAGIX. Vegas Pro is the main tool for handling VS1 files. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows shows only the file's existence, but the plugin's functionality depends entirely on the host app. Start by right-clicking the VS1 file and selecting Open With. Test MAGIX Vegas Pro first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some VS1 files are very particular about the opener. If your VS1 file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, loading in Vegas Pro. Open MAGIX Vegas Pro and apply the corresponding audio plugin to a track or event. In the plugin parameter window, click the preset dropdown and choose Load Preset. Navigate to the VS1 file location and select it. The plugin instantly applies all stored parameter values to the current effect instance. Next, importing the preset folder. Place VS1 files in the Vegas Pro plugin presets folder, typically located at Documents/Vegas Pro plus Presets. Restart Vegas Pro, and the presets appear in the plugin's preset drop-down menu automatically. This makes presets persistently available across all projects without manual loading each session. Finally, verifying plugin compatibility. VS1 presets are tied to the specific plugin used during creation. Confirm you have the same DirectX or VST plugin installed at a compatible version. If the original plugin is unavailable, the preset values cannot be applied. Check the Vegas Pro plugin manager to verify the required plugin is installed and enabled. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagic is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagic.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.